Hi, this is Chris Yang. I'm the chef partner at Piglet Co, and this is what's in my basket. The first thing I'm grabbing is the Yoshikane Gyuto 210 Shirogami. This is the knife I used every day at the restaurant. This knife is super easy to sharpen, and I really like the tip for doing fine work like slicing chives. We love Anne's Tomb as a Lebanese garlic sauce. Fun fact, we actually shared a kitchen during the pandemic. It was one of my favorite things to eat. Pro tip, try it on a scallion pancake. This is the Hén-zhì can opener. If you don't know, you should know it. This is one of my favorite can openers to use. Super easy to clean with an exposed blade. No gears that gum up at all. This black sesame oil is from Yun-hai. What we like about it is cold pressed and it generates very low heat, which keeps the oil as pure and unaltered as possible. It's an amazing product made in Taiwan that we use mainly in a lot of our salad dressings. We break down 2 pigs a month at the restaurant on our own. I was lucky enough to be one of the testers of this Bernal Cutlery and Sabatier Butcher's Guide. Invictus, it's one of my favorite knives. I use this solely to break down our whole pigs. These silky scissors are a favorite of our whole staff. Hard blade, soft handle. It's hard enough to break through crab shells, but fine enough to snip microgreens. This is the caster peeler. We've converted our whole staff over to using these. Stainless steel vegetable peeler with a carbon steel blade. This Made in Taiwan cookbook, written by Clarissa Wei and Ivy Chen, was recently a 2024 James Beard Award nominee for Best International Cookbook. We have this at the restaurant and we take a lot of inspiration from the stories and their recipes. Then I grabbed this Andre Verdier stainless steel spatula, 11 centimeters of single piece stainless steel, flexible enough to cook a piece of fish and also plate with it. I'm Chris Yang and this is what's in my basket.